contact front. Enemy vehicle. Tango down. Move. Enemy inside. One down. Enemy down. All clear. They must have Griggs in one of those houses. There's an entry point through that basement door. We go room to room from there. Keep it quiet, move out. One down. Room clear. This floor's clear. Move up to the second. Griggs isn't here. Roger that. Regroup on me downstairs. Copy that. Moving to the next house. Keep it quiet. So, go take a look. Moving to the next house. Keep it quiet. So, go take a look. Moving to the next house. So, go take a look.
Среди мишени!
The sun's coming up. We're running out of time.
Griggs, 678452056.
You know, Tavarish, the Geneva Convention is a nice idea in theory, no? Why don't you save yourself the trouble and simply answer my questions? How many others are there?
Griggs, 678.
Who is your commanding officer?
It's gonna get real busy around here soon. If I was you, I'd get my ass out of here.
Юра, Переховка.
Looks like this is the place.
Если бы у меня...
Get ready to breach.
Я бы у тебя не спрашивал, кретин.
Go, go, go. All clear.
So, cut Griggs loose, move.
About damn time. I was starting to think you guys were gonna leave me behind.
That was my first thought, but your ass had all the C4. You alright?
Yeah, I'm good to go.
Okay, Team 1. We got Griggs and we're coming out of Building 2. We need to knock out that tower so the advanced teams can breach the electrified perimeter. Enemy helicopters. Move.
Charlie 6, what's your status? Over.
Team 2 in position at the perimeter. Waiting on you to kill the power. Over.
Roger. So, plant the charges. Go.
Charges set. Everyone get clear.
So, do it. Charlie 6, the tower's down and the power's out. 20 seconds.
Roger. We're breaching the perimeter. Stand by.
Backup power in 10 seconds.
Stand by.
5 seconds.
Okay. We're through. Bravo 6 will wait for you at the rally point. Out.
Roger, Team 2. We're on our way. Out. Get that fence open.
Move. Enemy helicopters. It's gonna get real busy around here soon. Guys, take Soap and the rest and scout through this base. Griggs and I will look for an alternate route.
Contacts west of us. Cover me. Tango down. Contacts west of us. Tango down. Enemy troops to the southwest.
Heads up! Choppers inbound!
Troops dropping in!
Cover me. Contacts west of us. Changing mag.
Enemy RPGs on the rooftops!
Contacts west of us. Reloading. Frag out. Contacts west of us. Reloading. Give me some cover and fire. Changing mag. Enemy neutralized.
Biegnijcie, trusy!